If you're a naturalized US citizen, or if you are thinking about applying for citizenship, you need to watch this video. The Department of Justice just made a major announcement, and I don't want you to miss it. On June 8, 2026, the DOJ announced that it's trying to take away the citizenship from 17 people who were previously naturalized. These individuals are accused of serious crimes, including child sexual abuse, fraud, and drug dealing. But the biggest issue is this: almost all of them are accused of lying when they applied for citizenship. And this is not a small or isolated case. This is the biggest denaturalization effort in American history. Since President Trump came back to office, the DOJ has filed far more of these cases than ever before. Why is this important? Because when you apply for naturalization, you're required by law to show that you have good moral character. That means you must truthfully disclose your complete history, arrests, charges, convictions, immigration violations, and more on your N-400 application and during your naturalization interview with a USCIS officer. It doesn't matter if the crime happened years ago. It doesn't matter if the charges were dropped. It doesn't matter if you think that nobody will find out. USCIS and the DOJ have access to criminal databases, immigration records, law enforcement files going back decades, and they are actively looking. If you lie or omit information, you are not just risking a denial, you are risking denaturalization, the government taking back your citizenship after you've already received it. That can lead to deportation, even after you've lived here for years or decades. Now, here's what I want every one of you to hear clearly. If you have any of the following, please do not apply for naturalization without first speaking to an experienced immigration attorney. If you've ever been arrested, charged, or convicted of anything, and even something small, even if it was expunged or dismissed. If you have ever had any immigration problems, like overstaying a visa, putting false information on an immigration application, or entering without permission. If you have ever been ordered deported or removed. If you've ever used a different name or date of birth on any document. If you've ever given incorrect information on any immigration form in the past. An experienced immigration attorney can review your full history, assess whether you are eligible, identify any red flags before USCIS does, and help you present your case truthfully and in the strongest possible way. The consultation you pay for today could save your citizenship tomorrow. Do not try to figure this out on your own. Do not rely on a notario, immigration consultant, or service. This is your future and your family's future at stake. Get the right legal help. If you have any questions about your situation, contact our office. We'd be happy to help.